Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get pineapple in Grow a Garden. Alright, let's begin. In Grow a Garden on Roblox, pineapples are one of the rarest and most exciting plants. They are bright, tropical fruits that only grow under specific conditions, making them a valuable achievement in your garden. To get a pineapple, you first need a pineapple seed. These seeds are rare, so patience is key. One way to get them is by checking the seed shop daily. Occasionally, a pineapple seed will be available, but it's uncommon and usually costs a high amount of coins or Robux. Another method is through seed packs, especially super or mystery packs. These packs have a small chance of containing special seeds like the pineapple. You may also earn a pineapple seed by harvesting other plants, completing events, or claiming daily rewards that include surprise gifts. Once you get the seed, plant it in your garden. Make sure to water it regularly and care for it like your other plants. Pineapples take longer to grow than most crops, but the wait is worth it. The best part is that once harvested, pineapple plants regrow, so you can harvest multiple fruits from the same plant over time. Growing a pineapple requires time, a bit of luck, and smart planning, but it's a fun and rewarding challenge. So that's basically how you can get pineapple in Grow a Garden. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.